September in India is not the same everywhere. In the north, monsoon is slowly retreating and the days start getting cooler. In the south, it's still humid with occasional rains. I live in eastern part where monsoon rain and humidity coexist throughout the month. But one thing is common. September is the perfect month to start preparing for winter garden. If you sow right vegetables now, you will enjoy continuous supply of fresh homegrown food in the months ahead. So let's take a look at the vegetables we can grow in September. Begin with leafy vegetables. They are fast growing, healthy and perfect for small spaces. This month, sow spinach, coriander and amaranth in shallow pots or garden beds. At first, prepare soil with mixing vermicompost and neem cake. Along with these two ingredients, mix 10 grams of Trichoderma viride to minimize chances of stem rot. Soak spinach and coriander seeds for 6 to 8 hours before sowing. We can scatter the soaked seeds all over the planting space, or we can sow seeds in multiple rows. In about 30 days, we can start harvesting. The best part, these crops keep growing back after each cut. To ensure continuous harvest, instead of everything getting ready at once, we can do succession planting every 10 to 15 days. September is also the right time for root crops. Sow radish, carrot and beetroot if you are from northern part of India. For south, west and eastern part, only radish can be sown in this month. Sprinkle the seeds or make some shallow rows for this vegetable. We can harvest radish within 30 to 40 days as it matures pretty fast. The starts of every Indian winter, cabbage, cauliflower and broccoli can be grown in this month. Right now, start the seeds in trays or nursery beds. Within 3 to 5 days, they will germinate and in about 25 to 30 days, they will be ready to transplant. If you start now, by December and January, you will be enjoying organic homegrown harvest. Apart from these vegetables, we can also grow vining plants like pumpkin, bitter gourds, bottle gourds and cucumber. All these crops can be started by sowing seeds directly in the garden beds. However, for cucumber, starting seeds in small pots is much recommended to protect it from too much rain and humidity. A garden isn't complete without some easy growing vegetables like tomatoes and peppers. Start sowing seeds in small pots or nursery trays with light well draining mix that contains 70% coco peat and 30% vermicompost. In about 25 to 30 days, seedlings will be mature enough to transplant. This year I am growing San Marzano heirloom tomato, yellow plum and red cherry tomatoes in my garden. I have also started habanero pepper, red and yellow bell peppers in seedling trays. Once they reach 3 to 4 inch, I will transplant them in bigger pot. And the last one we must grow in our garden is brinjal or eggplant. It's actually a warm season crop, but many varieties are now available that tolerates cold weather. These two shall be started in seedling trays under a polyseed. In about 7 to 10 days, brinjal seeds will germinate. When seedlings have 3 to 4 leaves, we can transplant them directly in the garden beds or containers. With proper feeding and proper pest management, brinjal can survive almost 2 to 3 years. So these are the must-grow vegetables for September. In coming months, you will get a lot of tasty chemical-free food for your family. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gardening tips. Stay fit and happy gardening.